Oops. Probably. Why is it on sleep? Okay. Oh, okay. Ready?
.7 Z-Rock, BJ in the morning. Not really in the morning though, just BJ here, trying to, help you stay, informed on what's going on with this whole winter storm. If you still don't have power, trust me, I feel you. Neither does my house. I'm glad to be here.
Are you ready? It's getting hot. Time to take off our skirt thing. I don't have a... Well, I do. Get it off! I can't take it off! Trevor, where is it? Put it on. I can't breathe. It's so hot. Okay. I can't. I'm gonna trip.